everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the refreshed VillaBeautifful kit. So let's get started. So first up, let's start off with the paper pack add-on. This comes with 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch decorative paper, and she uses such pretty colors and patterns on here. They're very versatile. It's got this really pretty mint color with some gold glitter detailing. Kind of an abstract watercolor floral is what that one looks like to me. That's really pretty. And then this is the last one. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. I love the brush strokes and also the little painted glitter gold details in the middle. And then in addition to these 4 sheets, you also get 2 sheets of vellum. This first one is a really nice watercolor print, and the second is florals with more of the gold glitter detailing. So this is the additional paper pack add-on. You can get this with the basic kit. You just have to be pretty quick when the pre-orders open because the paper packs sell out pretty quickly. And now we're going to open up this month's pouch and take a look at what all is included with the basic kit. Every month the basic kit comes inside of a pouch, and this month it has a really nice zipper closure with a little tassel included. It's kind of a denim-y color, but the cloth is really nice. It's very thin. I don't like super thick cloths for my pouches, so this one is a really nice weight for me, and it has the VillaBeautifful logo sewn onto the front. It's just very simple. I think that's kind of the main theme of this kit is simplicity, and I love it. As far as the basic kit, let's start off with one of the new additions to the kit. This is a set of tab stickers. You get 2 sheets. One is very simple with gold foiling, and one is patterned to match this month's kit. So you can use these with the dashboards and dividers that you make for this month's setup, and you can use these with anything, anytime. I love that. Mine got a little bit bent in shipping, so if you're seeing that, yeah, that is just my postal lady not being the most careful with my products. But let's get a closer look at these patterns. So cute. There's the one that is my favorite pattern in the paper pack. We've got the florals. These are really pretty. And then these have the words typed onto them. So we've got to do, today, monthly, weekly, list, notes, and then just some icons here that you can stick onto your planner. All right, can we talk about how perfect these large journaling cards are? I am so thrilled that she is including these in the kits. I mean, the foiling is on point, the illustrations are beautiful. Look at this cabinet. It is a pink cabinet, gold foiling, gold glitter details, and succulents. Perfect. And these are gonna look so good as dashboards. I already know I am going to washi dashboard the heck out of these with kit washi, probably layer in some simply gilded washi. These are amazing and stunning, and I am so loving these. This is like inspiring an entire setup already with just these. Oh, perfect. And next up we have the smaller journaling cards that come in a pack of 5. So we have this one that says relax, renew, refresh. This pretty little woven bag detail at the bottom is really cute. And then we've got it's a good day. The little details on the succulent pots are foiled. Breathing dreams like air, and that one is a really gorgeous crystal background. Dying over that, so pretty. You are enough. Choose where your energy goes. This quote needs to go right front and center in my planner because that is such an important thing to remember. Love that. Yay, we also get some adhesive corner pockets this month. These are some of my favorite items included in the kits. So we've got the floral important things foiled at the bottom of this one, my favorite paper design with some foiled succulents at the bottom, and then dream plan do with a floral wreath around it for this one. Can't wait to find the perfect paper to add these onto and stick these in my spring setup. And we also get some pin loops again this month. This pink, mint, and gold combination is my favorite ever, so I'm really loving everything in this month's kit. We've got a foiled floral at the top and a foiled potted succulent at the bottom, and these are so simple to use. You simply peel off the adhesive backing and then stick it onto the side of one of your dashboards or dividers, and this elastic piece here obviously stretches out to stick your pins into so you can keep all of your favorite VB pins with you at all times. I think this is such a great addition to the kits. Okay, don't even get me started on the gorgeousness that is this month's planner charm. This little crystal, the colors used here, the ginormous hook so you can stick it on pretty much any planner. You could also remove this and just use this on your strings. I mean, there are so many ways to make this work for whatever kind of planner you use. I love everything about this. This is so pretty. And now moving on to the sticky notes, another great versatile product. I love that this design works no matter which way you turn it. So you have these little tab slots over here. You can stick it over on the side and have side tabs. You can flip it up this way and have it sticking out the top of your planner to use top tabs. So, I mean, we all know that there's no one right way to plan, so it's wonderful to have products that work in a lot of ways, and you can make things work exactly how you need it to. The colors are beautiful, but not overwhelming, so you can still see your writing well on there, and then the foiling on the succulents is great. This is just another beautiful product, as always. Okay, well, let's move on to the sticker book. Sorry about that glare. This front page is a protective plastic piece, so it likes to catch that lighting. But you have the date over here and the kit title over here for easy organizing. Let's flip that open. See if I can get it. There we go. I don't even have words for this first page. I know that Tiffany said she used Anthropologie, her favorite store, to inspire her for this kit, and I don't think she could have gotten it any better. I mean, let's get a close-up of the foiling and the images. I love these boxes. Of course, I still love that cabinet featured from the journaling card. Got some pretty quotes, a little bundle of terrariums and succulents and florals, and then a busy bee. That's cute. And then the next page has all of the circle icons, some labels, pay bill stickers, and some more circles at the bottom. And then we have a full sheet of these checklists and sidebar trackers, or sorry, not checklists, clipboards is what I meant to say. And then we have this full page of half boxes. These are so pretty as always. This is like my favorite sheet. So good. And then we have a full sheet of labels, and these down here are scallops, if you can see those. Scallop corners here, straight corners here, so lots of different options. Oh, this one is really pretty, this foiled one with the succulents. And then a full sheet of deco. Got the crystals, terrariums, this cute little chair, and two selections for the date covers, a couple more tabs, some arrows. Then we have the checklist stickers, flags, and banners. These are really pretty. So yeah, you get this entire book each month with your kits that last multiple weeks. I mean, you can really stretch these out depending on what kind of layouts you do, which I'm hoping to do because this is just a gorgeous kit that I want to hoard, but I need to use. It's just that good. Next up, we have this month's washi tapes, which are both foiled and beautiful. They come in this packaging, which I'm about to take them out of so we can get a better look. And here they are out of the wrapping, so you can get a better look at the foiling and the details. You can get a standard size and a skinny size. And then this, you know, if you want to see the amount of washi that each roll comes with. I know that's important because I hate when you buy those rolls that have like right here just a little tiny bit. So just to show you that as well. And then here is the larger roll, or the standard size roll rolled out, sorry. And there's the foiling on that one. It's very pretty. These florals are so delicate and feminine. Like, I love the soft pinks and greens. And then here is the skinny size rolled out. So it's got a really cute foiled pattern on there, and you can still see the soft colors on the background too. I will definitely be using these two tapes to make a washi dashboard on the back of my journaling cards, and I'll probably layer in some more of my favorite gold foil tapes as well. And once I'm finished, I'll share that on my Instagram and in the VillaBeautifful Villa Babes Facebook group, so make sure you're following me over there and join the Facebook group, which is linked in the description below. And for the main attraction, we have the Crystal VB pen. Tiffany keeps saying how simple this is, but I think that's what makes it so perfect. We've got silver hardware. Check out that soft shimmery mint on the barrel, and then of course the crystals, beautifully iridescent. This is the refreshed pen. Each kit pen is named after the kit that is included in. And on my last video, someone asked me about what the tips look like, so that is what they look like. And these are gel pens. Each kit also comes with a Crystal VB pen ink refill. These are also available individually in the shop, so you can grab those there if you need extras. And yes, this is just the perfect topping on a beautiful kit. Well done, Tiffany. This is another hit right out of the park kit. I love it all. And as a little bonus, I just wanted to include a look at some of the newer pens that she sent me. We've got the Sparkly Paper Co. collab pen. I love this gray kind of pearly color that she chose for the barrels. And those are the crystals. And then this one is the Van Sticky collab, this mint barrel silver hardware. Those are the crystals. Then this is the XOXO pin, I believe, part of the Valentine's Day release. Look at that gorgeous crystal mix. I'm dying over this one. Love the white barrel mixed with these. It's like such a good combination. And then this one is Love Spell. It's kind of a pinky lilac color for the barrel. And then close up of those crystals. And then this last one, I think, came from the Chicago Planner Conference, which I was unfortunately not able to attend, but I think it's so sweet that she still sent me one of the pins because this is beautiful. So yes, this is just another look at these. I think all of them minus this one, the Planner Conference ones, can't be traded or sold, I think, came down from the admins of that group. But the rest of these, if you're still looking for them, be sure to keep an eye out for restock emails and join the VillaBeautifful Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook. You never know what people are listing on there. You might find a hidden treasure. And that does it for this unboxing. As always, you can find links to my Instagram and the shops and groups featured in my videos, as well as all of my current discounts in the description below. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave those in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, let me know if there's any other kind of video that you'd like to see from me. I want to start working on building up my channel, so I'm really interested in hearing what you all enjoy watching. Thank you all so much for checking out this video, and I hope to see you next time.